Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies, particularly in Bitcoin. So once again, you can see that Bitcoin breaking the technical background by the impact of the external news. So this time, if previously the overall discussion and actually newsmaker was the ETF topic, today it is the getting the exchange license by the Coinbase in Singapore. So if we take a look in the news, you could see that here is mentioned this news. This was released today, just a few hours ago, as you can see. So that's actually once again put some investors in the euphoria, and you can see this what the performance we were getting. We already saw it previously when we've got this type of action, and I suspect that any emotional reaction, as I already said, whatever news could be released, they will not increase the amount of free cash and free United States dollars in a turnover. So you could get endless licenses as you want, but from the moment that you are getting the license, it doesn't mean that people start getting more cash to buy the bitcoins. So from that standpoint, I think that fundamentals sooner rather than later will dominate once again, and the massive liquidity contractions, performance of the United States bonds and other stuff will once again start pressing on cryptocurrencies. So I think that this performance that we see right now is also temporal. Weekly trend remains bearish, but in a particular on lower time frame, yes, market could try to climb slightly higher because the overall momentum stands not bad. Recent week actually has become, you can see, reversal one, so we could move slightly higher on this performance. I would say, or at least we could suggest from the technical point of view, that potentially we could get in some kind of the hand and shoulders here with the really very high standing shoulders, so around 30 even. So we will see. But currently I'm a bit, well, do not want to overestimate the importance of this recent news. So this is great news, of course, but well, they will not change the balance, economical balance, as I would say, in the economy. So it's probably will be short term. On the daily chart, we have breakout of the confluence and flag consolidation. That's why currently we could consider a few targets. First one is the OP 2858, which market's mostly completed. Next one will be the XOP precisely around 30 even. So above the 618 level, which is 29, and around 30 even, 3019 or 3020 is the XOP. So market right now is not at the overbought, so theoretically it could keep going higher. At least until 29, it's relatively free space. Daily trend turns bullish. At the same time, on a lower time frame, you could see that market has completed few targets. First of all, we should recall our initial ABCD pattern on the 4 time frame chart, and XOP has been completed few minutes ago. It's 2843. Simultaneously, this is big butterfly. Here is how market actually has erased the bearish context when it's just jumped above the engulfing pattern. And so this was a moment, this was preparation for this reaction, and this bearish, normally bearish context has been broken by the news release. It means that currently, despite that overall strong momentum to the upside, some retracement probably could happen, some pullback. Usually, as you know, this is approximately 30% of the whole upper direction of the whole butterfly action, which is my view on the hourly chart. First level we have 2790 or 28, and next one, which is I'm talking about 2750, this confluence area. So if you would like to use this short-term impulse on the Bitcoin market, consider taking the long position. 2750 seems more or less reasonable for that. It's not too close to the current action, so a bit deeper retracement. At the same time, market should not erase the most recent rally. That's why your invalidation point will be relatively close, somewhere around 2690, 27, just below this area. Because if market will just collapse and will erase this, it definitely will tell you that short-term context is over. So something different should be considered. So maybe you could think about the combination of the different entries. So take the sum part here, then add more right there. So that's, other words speaking, this is just two major levels to consider. For the bears currently, I do not see something to do. It's just because market is going higher, and I do not see any reasons trying to go ahead against it. So just let them go and see where this upward direction will is housed, and see what will happen around next significant resistance areas. Who knows, maybe right on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, somewhere around 13 even, we will get excellent chance to go short with a relatively tight standing stop order. That might be another scenario that could be could appear in the nearest time. Finally, guys, at the end of the report, I would like to announce our new fundamental report. As you know, the news stream on the Bitcoin right now is narrowing. We do not have a lot of events. That's why our report in September was not as well significant as in previous months. Still, there are some interesting topics to discuss, and just take a look at it. So if you're interested with that, you could find it here on the menu of the forum. Just press blog. Here you can find my blog, and that is, you'll get right in this page. So that's what we have on the Bitcoin. Let's keep watching how it will go and see how long this reaction will be on Coinbase news.